What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here it is Crypto Dad. If you've not subscribed to this channel, what you have to do is you have to click on the subscription button, then you have to turn on the notification icon so you'll be getting notifications whenever we drop any video. Okay guys, on this channel we drop updates on how to make money by participating in airdrops and other money making platforms like that. So if you've not subscribed, what you just have to do is you have to go ahead to subscribe. So guys, in today's video I'll be taking us through on how to claim the Arbdoge airdrop. So I'll be showing us how to claim an instant $3.7 worth of the Arbdoge airdrop, and I'll also be showing us how you can sell this particular token. That is how to swap this particular airdrop. So let's just get into this video. Make sure you subscribe. Okay, so I already dropped the link in my Telegram channel. If you've not joined my Telegram channel, what you have to do is you have to click on the link in this video description. So when you click on the link, you'll be directed over to Telegram. Just going to join my Telegram channel. Okay, after you've joined, you have to click on this link. Okay, the first thing you have to do is you have to check if you're eligible. After checking and you've seen that you're eligible, you just have to go to claim the airdrop. You have to click on this claim airdrop. Okay guys, so I'll just be going back, and when I click on this link, I'll be directed over to my browser. Okay, so when I'm directed over to my browser, I'll be able to connect to my wallet. You just have to go ahead to do a wallet connect right now. Just go ahead to connect to your wallet. Then you have to go ahead to select any wallet you want to use. Okay, let's just try Trust Wallet because I tried using Trust Wallet the first time, but it wasn't connecting. So let me just try using Trust Wallet. This is the address I want to connect to, but I need to change this network. You just have to click on this account. Then I need to select the network. The network is on Arbitrum network. I'll select Arbitrum. So we are good to go right now. This is my account I want to connect to, and I already selected the network. I'll just click on this connect. I'm being redirected right now. Let me just see if it's going to connect. Okay, so I'm waiting patiently for this. So you'll be seeing the total number of airdrop they want to give. So everyone that is eligible, so if you're eligible, you'll be seeing it here. You just have to go to claim. And if you want to invite your friend, you'll also be getting 10% bonus. Just click on this invite to get your link. You'll also be seeing this what is Aidoge, and just go through all these. Aidoge has a 15% burning tax, so adjusting your slippage tolerance to about 20% is suggested when you're buying and selling. So if you want to sell this particular token, you're advised to adjust your slippage to like 20% if you want to either buy or sell. Okay, if you want to buy, just go to click on this buy Aidoge. You see this trading volume, you see the social media platform. Okay, so I just scroll up. You'll be seeing that it's not connecting to my Trust Wallet. I'll be making use of another wallet. I tried connecting to Bitskip also, but it's not working on Bitskip. I'll be advised us to use Token Pocket. Let's just go ahead to use Token Pocket. And I already dropped the update in my Telegram channel. I told us to use Token Pocket because Trust Wallet is not connecting right now. So what you have to do is you have to clear this page. Just go over to my Telegram channel. You have to copy the link I drop here. After you've copied the link, just go over to your Token Pocket. Then you have to select the accounts you want to use. Okay, so I'll just close this page. Let me close this page. When you come out to your Token Pocket, you have to select the Arbitrum network. I'm on Arbitrum network right now. Okay, I'm on this particular network, Arbitrum network. After you've selected that, just go to select the account you want to use to claim this airdrop. I'll be using this account to claim this airdrop, and I'll also be seeing this plus sign. That is, I'm to add a particular token to my wallet. Let me just click on that. Then I'll click on this my token. Okay, so you'll be seeing that I'm eligible for this Aidoge. I'm to claim this airdrop right now. So I just ignore this. So I just have to come out to this discover. After you've copied the link, just paste in the link you copied here, and you just go to search. You have to search for the link. Okay, after you search for the link, you have to connect to your wallet. I've already connected my wallet, so Token Pocket is working. If you want to connect your wallet, just go to connect to Token Pocket. Then you'll be seeing this claim airdrop. You have to go to claim. You'll be seeing the particular amount you can claim. Just go to click on this claim, and for you to invite your friend, just click on this invite. Then you'll be seeing your referral link. Just copy the link. You'll see the invitation reward you'll be getting. Okay, I'll just close this page. I need to go to claim this airdrop. I'll click on this claim airdrop. I need to perform this transaction. I'll just click on this claim. So I'll be charging a network fee of just $0.3 worth of Ethereum. I'll confirm this transaction. Okay, so it's loading right now. Success. I already claimed this particular airdrop. I've claimed this airdrop. After you've claimed it, the next thing you have to do is you have to go over to your wallet. I'll just close this page. Okay, let me go back to the page. You see the activity period. The activity will be ending next month, that is on the 15th of next month. If you're eligible, just go to claim it immediately. And for you to know that you're eligible, after you've connected your wallet, you'll be seeing a claim airdrop at this particular site. So I saw that was how I know I was eligible for the airdrop. I'll close this page, then I'll just cancel this page. I need to go to add the token to my wallet. I'll just click on this plus icon, then I'll click on my token. I'll click on this add button. I've added the token. I'll just close this page. Okay, I'll just refresh this page. You'll be seeing the particular amount I'm having presently. Okay, I'm having this particular amount presently. I'm having about 1 trillion worth of the airdrop right now. Before I claim, I'll start the network fee of just $0.3 worth of Ethereum. And if you want to add this token to your wallet, I already dropped the contract address in my Telegram channel. I'll just go back to my Telegram channel. I'll be seeing the contract address here. Just go to copy the contract address. Then you have to go back to your wallet to add. The next thing you have to do here is, after you've claimed the airdrop, you have to go to swap it. If you want to swap, just go to copy this link. Then you have to go back to your token pocket. Since token pocket is working, I'll go back to discover. I'll paste in the link here. Then I'll just click on this enter button. I'll click on I got it. I'll be waiting for this to load up. Okay, before we go and swap here, we need to change the network from Ethereum that is showing here. We have to change it to Arbitrum. I've already changed the network to Arbitrum. We need to connect our wallet. I'll click on this connect wallet. Then just go to connect your wallet. You can select MetaMask. My wallet has been connected. I'll select the token I want to swap from. I just click on this button. I need to search for the name. Let me go ahead to enter the name. I've entered the name, but it says no result found. We have to add the token to Uniswap. I'll just go back to my Telegram channel. We have to copy this contract address. And we have to go back to token pocket. I'll just paste in the contract address here. Okay, I've already pasted that. Then you'll be seeing this particular token come up, the Aidoge. Just go to click on this Aidoge. Okay, you have to click on this I understand. I've already selected the token I want to swap from. Then I'll click on this select token. I want to swap to a particular token. Let's say I want to swap to USDC. Here we have the USDC, that is the USD coin. If you want to swap to it, just click on USDC. And you can also swap to USDT, that is USDT on Arbitrum network. Just go to select this. Okay, let's say I want to swap to USDT. I'll just select USDT. Let's say for instance I want to swap the total amount. I'll just click on this maximum. Then I'll be seeing the particular amount I'll be receiving. Okay, I'll be receiving $4.3 worth of USDT right now. As I'm swapping the total amount I'm having to USDT, I have to approve the use of Aidoge. I'll just click on this approve use. Then I need to go ahead to click on this this button. Then I'll click on this next step. I'll be charged this particular amount as network fee. For approving fee, I'll just confirm the payment. I need to verify my password. This transaction is loading right now. Okay, I'll just confirm this. I've already confirmed the swapping. I need to go to swap if I want to swap. But let's say I want to swap just a little amount. Let's say I want to swap 1 trillion worth of the amounts I'm having. I'll be waiting for the balance to load up. I'll be getting this particular amount, that is $2.7. Okay, we're seeing this price impact is too high. Okay, so let's go ahead to click on this swap. I'll just click on this swap. Then I'll click on this confirm swap. Confirm transaction in wallet. Your swap is expected to fail. Okay, you know, when I took us through the website, I showed us something like the slippage you need to set if you want to buy and sell. Let's just click on the setting. Then you have to come out to adjust the slippage. The slippage you need to use is 20%. That was what was given on their website. I'll just click on OK. I already set the slippage to 20%. I'll click on this swap now. You'll be seeing that the price is reducing. Let's just go to swap. Confirming transaction. You'll be seeing that this is going to work right now. Then I'll click on this confirm payment. So it's loading right now. I'll be charging network fee of just $0.5. Transaction is being submitted right now. Okay, successful. The transaction is successful. I just swapped 1 trillion worth of Aidoge for 2.6 USDT. The transaction is completed. I'll just close this page. So guys, I already showed us now to claim your Aidoge and how to sell them immediately. That is how to swap to either USDT, Ethereum or USDC. If you want to swap to Ethereum, just go to select Ethereum. You see my current balance I'm having right now because I didn't swap the total amount. Okay, you can go ahead to refer your friends to earn 10% commission. I'm going over to this asset, then I'll just refresh this page. I will add USDT to my wallet right now. Just click on this plus icon. I'll click on this my token. I'll see USDT. I just need to go to add it. I'll click on this add. I've successfully swapped 1 trillion worth of Aidoge to USDT, so the swapping has been completed. I received $2.7 worth of USDT. I'll be going back, so I received 2.7 worth of USDT. So guys, I already showed us now to claim this airdrop. And you can also go ahead to check if your other wallet is eligible. Just go over to select your other wallet. Let me see if this wallet is eligible. Okay guys, so I've connected to my other wallet right now. Let me just check if I'm eligible. I'll just scroll down. So you'll be seeing that I'm not eligible. So this particular airdrop is for those that claim Arbitrum. If you're part of those that claim Arbitrum airdrop, you'll be able to claim this airdrop. So guys, I already showed us now to claim the Aidoge airdrop. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on the post notification icon to get notifications whenever I drop any video. Have a nice day, guys.